Yo, what up YouTube? It's your boy Tangeni once again. I'm back with another video. So in this video I'm going to trade or 1050 USD into 1000 US dollar. So now as you can see, we will start this challenge on the 18th of June 2024. As you can see, that is on Tuesday, as you can see on the screen here. So now let's get to the charts now. Let's go to the charts now and check. Okay, currently as you can see, we are in gold. We are on gold. I mostly trade gold only, guys. I only trade gold, Euro USD and GBP USD. So for now, as you can see here, guys, the market has been just consolidating around this zone. But for now, what I see on a bigger picture, is that gold will move up. But yeah, so let's just quickly check now. So as you can see, this one is a small account, guys. This is a small account, as you can see. That is Euro USD, as you can see, guys. So yeah, we haven't placed any trades, but yeah, we're gonna place some trades today. So a 0.01 will do. Currently we are buying gold, guys. What I see, I've already analyzed gold. Yeah, let's just place some trades. Just place some trades and put our stop loss. Maybe let me just quickly, I'll just do 3 positions. I'll only do 3 positions, as you can see. So now, where are we going to put our stop loss? Our stop loss will just below this zone at 2309. 2309. Let me just quickly put it there. 2309. 09. 2309. 09. 2309. 2309. Okay, that is where our stop loss will be. Our TP will be somewhere up here. It will be somewhere up here at the 2353, 2353, 2353, 2353. That is where we'll be putting our stop loss. So currently we are in this trade, guys. So now let's just wait. Let's wait for an update later. But yeah, let me just quickly show you my analysis on my PC. Okay, as you can see on my PC there, that is what we see gold moving. So currently I've already placed these trades on my other big account. So for now, that is our analysis on once we break this high, guys, once the price break this high and we have a pullback, that is a confirmed that we are moving to the upside. But currently we are just moving up and down in this area. So yeah, wait for an update later and see whether we took a loss or a buy. So yeah, stick around, guys. Yo, we are back again, guys. We are back again. Now here is an update on the account, how the account is doing. So as you can see, currently we are at 75 or 77 US dollars, as you can see. But yeah, about the trade that we took earlier in the morning, we took a trade earlier in the morning and we lost, guys. We lost. So these are the trades that I've taken earlier in the morning. So as you can see there, and yeah, these other ones that we took again at around 15 there, at around 1500 hours, and we made some profits, as you can see here. But I was actually in a loss, in a big loss in the first, and then I deposited another 10 US dollars, you can see here. So now currently, guys, we are now in this trade, guys. We are on a gold trade. It's currently running in profits now, as you can see. So we'll hold this one until tomorrow. So yeah, we'll just put our stop loss above our entry and then we are safe, guys. So no matter what happens, we are safe. Whether it comes and hit our stop loss, we are safe, guys. So we'll just update our stop loss to our entry. Now, how am I going to do that? Let me just quickly put it somewhere here to 2321. Okay, let's put it at 2321. 21. 321, guys. Now as you can see, we are safe, guys. As you can see there on the screen, our stop loss is above our entry, as you can see there. Here is our stop loss at 2321, as you can see on the screen. We are safe now. We can hold this trade until tomorrow, guys. No matter what happens, we are safe. That is a risk free trade, guys. You do this when you are in profit. You put your stop loss above your entry. No matter what happens, you don't care. So let's step away from the market and come back tomorrow, guys. So guys, yeah, guys, if you are new to this channel, kindly do subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video. You can also join our free Telegram group, guys. It's where I drop all the setups that I have taken. All the setups that we've taken, all the setups that we take, guys, as you can see here, all the setups that we take, we drop them in that free Telegram group. It's for free. The link will be in the video description. I'll also drop it in the comment section, guys. So guys, now let's see you tomorrow, guys. Oh, take a look at this, man. Take a look at this. So I thought I would hold this trade until tomorrow, but then let me just get out of the market. So as you can see now, we are at 93 US dollar. So yeah, man, we recovered now, man. We recovered now, as you can see. So let me just get out of the market and maybe wait until tomorrow. Or should I leave one trade running? Let me just quickly leave one trade running. So I'll just leave this one running. So yeah, guys. So guys, let me just leave this one running. We are safe here. We put our stop loss above our entry. So yeah, let's wait until tomorrow, guys, to see what the market is going to give us tomorrow. So guys, it's your boy Tangeni once again. I'm back with another video. As you can see, today is Wednesday, 19th of June 2024. Now let's see how the account is doing. Actually, I've actually placed some trades earlier in the morning. A sell on gold, as you can see. So currently we saw that the price was struggling to break this higher. So now we are expecting a drop on the on gold. We are expecting a drop on gold to come and grab liquidity below this low so that we can move to the upper side. So if I show you quickly on the PC, if I just show you quickly on the PC there, as I quickly show you on the PC, as you can see on the PC there, guys, we are waiting for price to at least come and grab liquidity below here so that it can move up. Grab liquidity below here so that it can move up. So guys, that's it, guys. That's it. So yeah, guys, let's step away from the market now to avoid all the emotions that comes with these trades. So we step away, then we come back later and give you an update on how the account is doing, guys. So yeah, yes, YouTube, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy Tangeni once again. I'm back. So another day, another dollar. Let's get to the money. So today is 20th of June 2024. It's Thursday, as you can see on the calendar there. So now let's get to the market and check, because I've already taken some trades on GBP USD. As you can see, we are in a loss now. But yes, as you can see, we are in a loss now. USD, as you can see, we are in a loss. So we ended too early, as you can see. But yeah, we are still at that zone. We are still in the zone. This is the order block. Price is currently at the order block. This is the order block that we are in. So as you can see, guys, the reason why I ended this trade is you can see that, okay, you can clearly see that the market is making higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows. Now currently this is the high that broke. I mean, this is a low that broke this high. So now we are expecting price to reverse from that area to move to the upside. So that is the reason why I've ended this trade, this buy trade on GBP USD, as you can see. But yeah, guys, as you can see, we are in a loss of $3 or $4 US dollar, as you can see. So just to update you on the trades that I've taken yesterday on gold, it was on the, yeah, they've hit our stop loss. They've hit our stop loss. It was a sell. They've hit our stop loss. So now we move on to the next trade, which is currently GBP USD, as you can see, guys. So yeah, man, let's step out of the market, guys, to avoid all the emotions that comes with holding these trades or monitoring these trades. So I don't like to monitor the trades because they give me a lot of emotions. So I might end up closing early and stuff like that. Just to avoid all of those, just put your stop loss there. I think we didn't put our stop loss, so let me just quickly put our stop loss there. Our stop loss is just below this zone, this order block here, 26980. Let me just put it at 2627. Okay, 27,000. Okay, let me just quickly put it on. Let's just put our stop loss there. Price broke below that zone, then we are out of the trades. But for now, let's just put our stop loss there. Okay, and now let's just put our stop loss there. Now let's just put our stop loss there. 26. That's it, guys. That's it. So now if the market comes and hit our stop loss, if price comes and broke below this low here that you see here, this low here that you see here, then we are out of the trade. But for now, let's hold this trade, and I will come back. I'll give you an update on how the trade is doing later on during the day. So guys, let's step out of the market now. Yo, here is an update on the account. how the account is doing. So let's just quickly go there. Yo, I took a loss, guys. I took a loss, as you can see. So these are the losses that I took. Now the account is at the 40 US dollars, as you can see. So man, check here, guys. So I took a big loss, guys. So but the whole thing is that I see GBP USD is buying. So 0.01 as usual. I see GBP USD is buying, guys. GBP USD is buying. But yeah, okay, we are just placing 5 trades, 5 entries that we are placing now. But yeah, what I see is just GBP USD is buying. So guys, that's all we have now. So we'll just put our stop loss below this low. 26,750, 26,750, 26,750. So yeah, that's all, guys. I'll come back with an update on how the account is doing. But yeah, let's step out of the market now. So yeah, I'm back with an update on how the account is doing regarding the trades that I've taken. So yeah, let's look to the chart and check what the hell is going. Yo. This one is a wrong trade, guys. This one is a very, very wrong trade. So today it wasn't my day, guys. Today it was not my day, as you can see. So now we are in a loss of $6, guys. So it's better I close these trades because the way this market is doing, the way this market is moving, I don't like the movement of this. So it seems like we are selling. I feel like GBP USD is selling. So let me just quickly close these trades. So that was a big hit today. If you can check overall today, we lost 25 US dollar. We already lost 25 US dollar, guys, just today, guys. Look at the losses that I've taken today, guys. This is just today, bruh. This is just today. So it's better to step away from the market now so that you can continue and trade tomorrow or Monday. But I don't usually trade on Friday. But if I see a nice setup, I will trade. But for now, guys, we are done for this week now. We are done for this week. So that is how the account is doing currently. We are now in a loss of 25 US dollar. As you can see, the deposit was 50 US dollar, but then I ended up depositing again because I was in a big loss. I ended up adding another 10 US dollar. So guys, now if you don't want to miss out on the next upload about this update about this challenge that I'm doing of turning 50 US dollar into 1,000 US dollar, just kindly subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notification so that you'll be notified when I post a new video, guys. So guys, like the video, don't forget to comment below, guys. The reason why I'm always asking you guys to comment and like the video is that it can help me with the YouTube algorithm, guys, so that YouTube can push out my videos to a larger audience, guys. That is the only help that I'm asking from you guys. So guys, yeah, thanks for watching.